Hello, hi, welcome back to my channel. This is Igyande Mbwue. This is Igyande Mbwue. Alright, this is actually unripe pawpaw that is sliced and diced and dried. Okay, I'm just going to go out on a limb and say it's dried for preservation so that you can hydrate anytime you want and eat. If not, I've noticed that tea soups you go through a lot to dry and then rehydrate. All right, so this is, as I said, unripe pawpaw is a variation on the local Tiv stew pocho as well. All right, this is made basically the same way as ashwe is made, but I will break it down and take you through it. When you buy the dried pawpaw, you have to wash it and then you have to soak it for a while. You can do this with hot water, warm, not hot water. You can do this with warm water, and you can also do this with cold water depending on how long you have time to wait for it to hydrate and swell. It usually swells up. The next thing I'm doing is boiling my pepper. As you guys know how I make my pocho now. Pepper, a little bit of palm oil if needed. You can do this with or without palm oil. The oil is totally optional. And then fresh locust beans. I'm going to put in dry locust beans. I'm going to put dry powdered locust bean. I'm going to put what do you call this? Baye, which is Idomas call it Opehe. I'm going to put in Yoruba's call Nune Iru. I'm going to put in bits of meat into it. I know, yes, I usually do my tea soups without meat, but for this I just want to spice it up a little, so I'm breaking in bits of fish and meat into it before I put it. And then I'm also going to use a bit of chicken stock just to add flavor to the soup as well. And then you're going to mix this and make sure it incorporates well, as well as seasoning. It incorporates well with the pepper that is boiling. That's basically it. Now, if you see how the unripe pawpaw has changed, it was very slim and dried before I washed and soaked it in water. Now it has hydrated. It's robust. It's fat. So now I have to just mix this in this stew that we've cooked, and then you add water because it needs to become very soft. I was adding a little bit of the oil because I realized I wanted to give it a little bit more color and more flavor. Totally optional. So the soup is done, but you have to wait for it to become very soft. Now that is up to you if you want it super soft and soggy, or if you just want soft with a little bit of crunch. But whichever way you have, don't overwhelm the soup with water. Just add your water gradually and keep checking it, and it's really nice, very rich. It's a Tiv delicacy. I don't know if other parts of the country in Nigeria eat this, but I know this basically with Benue State and basically with Tiv people. Thank you so much for watching, you guys. I know I've been trying to put up a lot of tea recipes, so please encourage me, subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe, please hit the share button. I love you. Mwah.